Y'all, imagine just going out 3 o'clock in the morning while you're dreaming about food. Good morning, y'all. So today I'm going to try to do a sleeve bun in like 20 minutes with my hair. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. So I woke up not too long ago because I have to start getting ready for work. So I kind of wore it like this yesterday, but this poofed up. I really didn't have enough gel in my hair, so I'm going to try to redo it and see how it comes out. This thing is not looking out of my hair. I'm going to use this blow dryer right here. It's my brush dryer. Oh my gosh, I have morning voice. I'm not a morning person. I can just be honest with you now. So I have this. I have the Shine Jam. I have the Gots to Be, the spray and the gel. I have some oil, and I also have some Style Factor. I'm trying to get as much reinforcement as possible because my hair is stubborn just like moi. Trying to work fast and trying to get my hair molded down is a struggle. What's in here? I'm gonna take this. And my armpits are so dark, y'all. Just mold it this way. And I'm just gonna cut this right here. Where my hair tie go? So I leave this right here. And it's not too tight, I just need it to stay while I do this section. Okay. I think I'm gonna start going in with the Shine and Jam for this side. Using that much. I didn't put any product on the top yet, but I'm going to. Whew, and I gotta lift the bun up a little bit because I'm gonna try to stick this through and put my hair around it to make it like a legit bun. Or if you wanted to, you could just braid your hair like this. It's completely up to you. Oh, my hands are on fire. Okay, so let me get some battery. You gotta get stuff, especially if your hair is like super stubborn like mine. You wanna get something that's gonna really hold it down. You can use Gorilla Snot. I know some people like using that, but I'm just gonna use this because this is what I have. This is my first time ever doing a slick bun. Damn, why am I out of breath though? This is tragic. Hold hold on. Like, for real though. I'm legit tired. Like, when I tell you, this is legit a workout. For me, it's okay if it's a little bit poofy because I'm gonna try to stick this through and I'm gonna have to tighten it some more. So, however it's looking, how it's looking in the front, I'm really satisfied with. So that's like super important. Whatever is left on here. Okay. And then for my edges, let me moisturize the edges a little bit. I'm using the Style Factor, but I'm a little nervous because sometimes it does flake on me or it gets white. So that's my only concern. Oh my god. Yo, it don't make no sense how bad my hand is hurting. I'm just gonna take a little bit down here since I didn't put any Style Factor right here. Ooh. Okay, I feel like this is a little bit better because you guys are a little bit closer. Y'all, imagine just going out 3 o'clock in the morning while you're dreaming about food. Like, rude. Like, y'all can't test this when people are at work. And then, you know what the freaking crazy part about it is? Knock on wood. Because they do so many drills, how the f am I gonna know it's a real one? First time it happened, when I tell you, I grabbed my laptop, I grabbed as much makeup as I can grab. No, I'm just playing. I didn't grab any makeup, but I did grab my laptop. And my phone and my watch was already on my wrist. By the time the first one even made a noise, the watch was already on my wrist. And my bag. And I was like, I'm out. Go outside, ain't nobody outside. So that's the scary part, is just not knowing. So I hope the ones outside the apartment are a lot louder. 06. It's almost 20 minutes. I'm not fully at my 20 minutes yet. Y'all are in need of some edge brushes. You can order on my website. The link is down below. I think I like how this is coming out. Which I'm okay with. But this side, it'll stay straight. For what reason? Oh, it's already dried. I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna try to take it a step further with this. I haven't done one of these since my hair was relaxed. So natural should be fun. So I pull my hair. I'm gonna take another ponytail. Like this. I don't care if it's not like super neat, the bun, but now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these ends. So let me take this off. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to stick the ends in. is covered. So yeah, I mean, it's not super perfect, but it's a look. And I did it in 20 minutes because, let me see, the last video was 12 minutes. This one is 7 minutes. So that's only 19 minutes. So I'm finished. So these pieces are optional. You could just use a headscarf to tie down your edges. But I'm gonna go throw on some brows, little foundation, little bronzer. I might take out with me while I do that, but I won't talk through. I'm just gonna show you guys because I'm running low on time. It's almost time for me to go to work. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching me do my bun. It's up to you if you want to completely straighten out your hair a little bit more, especially the ends. Because my hair is not that long yet for me to wrap it around this way. I just had to like use my fingers and tuck. But I'm not mad at it at all. I never thought that this was possible. Let me come a little closer. I did not think that this hairstyle was possible. So super excited. My eyebrows is looking good still. If you guys have not watched already, watch my video of how I do my eyebrows during the quarantine, because I'm not going to no eyebrow shop. Okay, this looks good and it's nice and shiny. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. So I am all set, I'm all done. This is what I look like without any like super crazy lights. It's just lashes, face, and a bomb ass bun. Yes. Okay, so I gotta go. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
I like it.